Hello everyone, welcome back to the CATHAY PACIFIC Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Manico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific A330-300 that flew to Beijing for maintenance, and she took her flight number 6, turn hour 40, with a great circle distance of 1,987 kilometers, actual flight time of 2 hours 48 minutes, and a track of 70 degrees. His registration is Babur Lima Barbara Bravo. She's special because she is the 1,080-30 ever produced by Airbus. So this aircraft took off at 12:53 midnight with the third runway, and then she landed at 3:41 a.m. local time in Beijing. So she's expected to have maintenance there, and hopefully she doesn't stay longer. So that's another A330 just returned. So let's hope that B-LBB will not stay there long because she's the 1,080-30 ever produced. I remember she had a sticker of we're flying the 1,080-30 until she got repainted to new livery and in May 2019 where it got removed. And this aircraft is registered as Bravo Lima Bravo Charlie, and she's nicknamed as the Bright Lights Big City Jet. I remember Isa has been there last year from Hong Kong to Manila. So this aircraft is taking her flight numbers. She took her flight number 6, turn hour 41, same great circle distance, 1,987 kilometers, actual flight time 3 hours and 6 minutes, calibrated altitude 900 feet, ground speed of 148 km, and a track of 355 degrees. And she's special because she's nicknamed the Bright Lights Big City Jet. So this aircraft took off at the south runway. Wait. Yeah, as you can see, the aircraft took off at the third runway, which is a northern runway, or the top runway. So for how many days she stayed there, kindly check the description down below. And for the details of Bravo Lima Bravo Bravo and Bravo Lima Bravo Charlie, kindly check the previous video about these birds. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto, and my friend from Toronto, Austin Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next